Do you feel stuck in the endless 9-to-5 grind, working for someone else while your time and freedom are slipping away? Many people dream of escaping the rat race and achieving financial independence, but few know how to make it happen. In this video, I'll show you how to break free from the cycle and start living life on your own terms. The path to financial freedom isn't easy, but it's achievable with the right mindset and strategy. The first step in escaping the rat race is shifting your mindset. Instead of thinking like an employee, you need to think like an entrepreneur. This means taking responsibility for your own financial future and finding ways to build wealth outside of a traditional job. Relying on a single paycheck is risky, as the economy, layoffs, or personal setbacks can impact your income. When you think like an entrepreneur, you stop depending on someone else's schedule and income and start creating your own financial opportunities. The second step is creating multiple streams of income. Relying on just one paycheck is dangerous, especially when things like layoffs or recessions happen. Diversifying your income is crucial for financial security. Whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in stocks, or generating passive income through real estate, there are many ways to earn money beyond your job. By building multiple income streams, you create a safety net that gives you more freedom and stability. Next, it's essential to live below your means. Many people make the mistake of increasing their spending as their income rises, keeping them in a cycle of constant consumption. This lifestyle inflation can prevent you from building wealth. To escape the rat race, practice delayed gratification. Live frugally, cut unnecessary expenses, and focus on saving and investing. When you spend less than you earn, you'll have more money to grow your wealth instead of financing a lifestyle you don't need. This habit is key to financial independence. Speaking of investing, putting your money to work is vital. So investing early, whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or other passive income sources. The goal is to build assets that generate income even when you're not working. The sooner you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Over time, your investments will compound, and you'll experience the real power of long-term investing. Smart investments can help you gain the freedom to leave the 9-to-5 grind behind. Lastly, focus on building financial literacy. The more you understand money, investing, and wealth-building strategies, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Financial literacy helps you spot opportunities, avoid mistakes, and make your money work for you. There are plenty of resources, books, podcasts, online courses that can expand your knowledge and help you grow. The more you learn, the more control you'll have over your financial future. Remember, escaping the rat race isn't just about money. It's about having control over your time. To break free, rethink how you earn, save, and invest. Start small, but start now. Because the sooner you take action, the sooner you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Time freedom is priceless, and with the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve it.